It is time to see what's new with iOS 12.3 Beta 2. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we've downloaded the latest beta of iOS 12.3 on our iPhone XS Max. The biggest changes coming in iOS 12.3 and tvOS 12.3 for that matter is going to be the new TV app. Apple has completely revamped it with a bunch of new features, and we're really excited for it to launch. The TV app is now going to be where Apple's original content will live, and all of your third-party content will be housed in this app, and you can watch it directly from here. No jumping around to different apps. You can subscribe to content right from here. It's a very seamless experience, and comes with a new icon, and in this latest beta, a new splash screen. Not much to look at so far, but does give you that rundown on privacy at the bottom and allows you to get in there and start watching. This beta still kicks you out of the TV app into the third-party apps when you actually go to watch third-party content, and that's likely to change as we actually get to the public release because it is going to need some external changes behind the scenes and in those third-party apps. In this beta though, if you head down here to explore channels on Apple TV, we have a new option added. So these are ones that you can kind of subscribe to, get free trials right from the TV app. And before we had that Showtime and Stars, but Epix is now new, alongside the Smithsonian and Tastemade. All of those were there before, but Epix has been added as a new option here in the second beta of iOS 12.3 and tvOS 12.3. All the content is here to browse, and whenever you want to watch something, tap it, it'll give you the rundown, and it'll jump you in to the Epix app. Also in this beta, we saw some tweaks to Wallet. Wallet has definitely been getting revamped as we get closer to the Apple credit card. Here we've had some icons removed. If we go into third-party cards, you can still see where that transaction was completed, shows it on a map, get more information about Aquarium Adventure, but there's no icons along the sides of these transactions, except for when you view it on the Apple Pay Cash Card. Here, the icons are back, whether you sent money to a person, ordered through DoorDash, or these pet store placeholders. So all of those are there for the Apple Pay Cash Card, but not third-party cards. They could either go all the way, or it could be an exclusive feature, really mini feature, that only shows up for the Apple Card or the Apple Pay Cash Card. I also want to jump back here into the TV app. It has been extremely more stable in the second beta. The first one, it was crashing and freezing constantly, and things are much more smoothed out in beta 2, and I'm sure will continue to move that way. A big complaint people had with the original 12.3 beta was on the iPad. If you used the Apple Pencil frequently, you already know what I'm talking about, and that is just palm rejection. It simply did not work. Things were jumping around, and you could not set your hand on the display while you were trying to draw. But that has been corrected here in beta 2. I've already seen tons of people tweeting at us and asking in the comments if this is fixed. Yes, it is fixed. In the public beta, or you download developer beta, you will now be able to use Apple Pencil again without your screen just wigging out on you. So that covers the changes here in beta 2 of iOS 12.3. If you find anything else, let us know down in the comments or reach out to me here on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.